Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda TRX450R. This thing is badass, and it's got a long list of upgrades. Honda Racing Cam, AC Racing aluminum engine skid plate, custom DG Baja heavy duty aluminum swing arm skid plate, AC Racing Nerf bars with foot pegs, bumper, grab bar, pro taper handlebars, rocks, 2-inch risers. It's got a 3-way adjustable long travel shocks with piggyback reservoir, boys and shock out thumb throttle kit with grips, precision racing products, steering stabilizer, K&N air filter, billet aluminum shift lever, sand star front sand tires with rims, separate set of rims with sand tires. We got custom rims with ITP whole shot, HD tires, Yoshi titanium exhaust, nickel plated chain, K-Saver, H-Bomb graphics, Dyno Jet kit, Hinson clutch basket, stainless steel braided brake lines, durable 2-inch 3-way adjustable axle, billet gas tank, new engine fan. Come on by, make your dirt quad dreams come true for just $59.90. This thing is amazing.